Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your WhatsApp language on the PC app, following the latest update. If you've ever wanted to navigate WhatsApp in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application on your PC. Once it's up and running, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings and is essential for customizing your user experience. Next, when you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the Settings menu. Here, you need to navigate to the General tab. This section contains various options that allow you to tailor your app settings to better suit your needs. Now, the key step is to locate the language option. You'll find it under the General settings. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and a list of available languages will appear. Take your time to browse through the list and select the language you prefer. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to confirm your choice. Simply press the OK button, and voila! Your WhatsApp language will be updated to your selected option, making your messaging experience more comfortable and enjoyable. And that's it. Changing your WhatsApp language on the PC app is that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!